How to factory reset known smartphones, PS consoles, and computer systems. Here are some quick steps to factory reset common smart devices and game systems, smartphones, iPhone. Go to Settings, General Reset, erase all content and settings. Android, tap Settings, System Reset Options, erase all data, factory reset. PlayStation, PS4, from powered off, hold power button till second beep. Connect controller and select Initialize PS4, initialize. PS5, Settings, System Software Reset, PS5 Reset Console. Xbox, Xbox One, go to Profile and System Settings, General Reset, Console Reset, and keep my games and apps. Xbox Series X/S, Settings, System Console Info Reset, Console Reset, and keep my games and apps. Nintendo, Switch, System Settings, Formatting Options, clear all data. Windows Computer, go to Settings, Update and Security Recovery, reset this PC. That covers some common ways to wipe devices and restore them to original factory settings. Let me know if you need the steps for any other specific gadgets or systems.